It is more or less similar to a problem solved in the previous class, only the statement is different. Previously, a die is thrown. Now it is boys and girls. Out of 800 families with 5 children each. So we have collected information. There are 800 families. Each family, they have 5 children. How many would you expect to have 3 boys? Out of 800 families, what is the expected number of families having 3 boys? Expected number of families having 3 boys. Similarly, expected number of families having 5 girls. All the childs are girls, so there is no boy. Third category, either 2 or 3 boys. So the boys count is either 2 or 3. Either 2 or 3. Certain things we got to assume. The birth of boy is 1/2. Birth of the girl is 1/2. So P means birth of a boy. Q means birth of a girl. P plus Q equal to 1. Assume equal probabilities for boys and girls means boys birth is 1/2, girls birth is 1/2. That is a meaning. So out of 800 families, how many families will have 3 boys? That we want to expect. We want to extract from the information. Here, 800 means total. So you call it as N, capital N. Given capital N equal to 800 families. 5 children. So you call it a small n. Among the 5 children, the number of boys, x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P equal to probability of boy child. It is 1/2. Of course, the Q is also the same. So these are the informations given. That is, we are considering 800 families. Each family have 5 children. We need to find out of 800 how many families have 3 boys. First, you find out the probability for 3 boys. Then you multiply with the capital N. You may get the expected number of families. Any distribution problem, first you must write the probability mass function. We have note that in this problem, in nowhere the binomial term is mentioned. Binomial distribution word is not mentioned in anywhere. Depending upon the statement of the problem, you decide. What are the characteristics of a binomial distribution? Success or failure, P or Q. The output will be either P or Q, boy or girl. This is the hint for using binomial theorem. So we are using binomial theorem means that is the reason. For every distribution, it may have certain code words. In the next distribution, we will study Poisson distribution, accidents. Not frequently happen. Unexpected things, defect items. Number of accidents, number of cars crossing a particular junction in a particular time. In such cases, we can use Poisson. So let us write the probability mass function. The probability mass function of or PMF. We can simply write PMF. The probability mass function of the binomial distribution. Probability of x equal to x. Here x means we got taken it is boys. Number of boys. We can also change the product. You assume x equal to number of girls. Both of them are same. You can take P stands for probability of girl child. That's also correct. So your original probability distribution, probability mass function is NCX P power x Q power n minus x. In this formula, NPQ values are known. You substitute NPQ values. Pi Cx 1 by 2 power x 1 by 2 power n minus x, pi minus x. The last two terms we can combine 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power x, 1 by 2 power pi minus x. If you are adding, then it will be pi Cx 1 by 2 power x plus pi minus x. So your probability mass function is 1 by 2 power 5. If you have any doubt, please ask. Any distribution. So probability of x equal to x, number of boys. X stands for number of boys. So your probability distribution x will be vary from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here x means boys count, number of boys in this. Let us answer for the first question. That is 3 boys. What is the probability for 3 boys? Then you multiply with the capital N. Probability of x equal to 3. In this formula, you substitute x value 3. Pi C3 1 by 2 power 5. Pi C3 is equal to pi C2. There is NCR equal to NC n minus R formula. NCR equal to NC n minus R. Pi C3 equal to pi C2. 1 by 2 power 5. Pi C2 value 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 1 by 32. If you cancelling 4 and 8, 4 and 32, 8 times. So 5 by 16. 5 by 16 is the probability for a family will have 3 boys. Probability for a family will have 3 boys. Now, under consideration, we have 800 families. Expected number of families with 3 boys. Expected number of families with 3 boys. Boys count is 3. So it is equal to n into probability of x equal to 3. That is 800. X equal to 3 probability is 5 by 16. If you cancelling, so out of 800 families, so 250 families will have 3 boys. Expected number of families with 3 boys. Next probability, expected family with 5 girls. All the childs are girls means boys count is 0. Second, probability for 5 years. It is equal to probability of x equal to probability of 0 boys. Boys count to 0. How many families will have no boys? So in the formula, phi c 0 1 by 2 power 5. Phi c 0 value 1, 1 into 1 by 32. Expected number of families. Expected number of families with 5 girls. Girls 5 families. N into probability of x equal to 0. So your n value is 800. Probability of x equal to 0 is 1 by 32. If you divide by 32, 800 divided by 32, you can use calculator if you have. I got 25. 800 divided by 32 is 25 families. Out of 800 families, 25 families, they are having 5 girls. Last one, either 2 or 3 boys. Number of boys is either 2 or 3. So x equal to 2 or x equal to 3. Or means only one will happen. So mutually exclusive events. Probability of either 2 or 3 boys. The boys count is either 2 or 3. It means probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3. Many times we may have confusion why we have to add either 2 or 3 means only one of the event will happen. Whether 2 boys is happened, the 3 boys will not be happened like that. So they are mutually exclusive. So P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3. Axiom 3 we have to apply. For x equal to 2, the probability in the PMF formula, you substitute x equal to 2. Phi c2 1 by 2 power 32. Phi c3 1 by 2 power 32. You can simplify 1 by 2 power 5, not 2 power 32. 1 by 2 power 5. Answer is that. So 1 by 32, you can take it common factor. This is 1 by 32, this is 1 by 32. You can take common factor outside. Phi c2. Phi c2 value. Already we have obtained. Phi c2 equal to 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2. It is equal to 10. 10 plus phi c3 is also 10. NCR equal to NC n minus R formula. 20 divided by 32. 20 by 32 or 5 by 8. This is the probability. We need expected number of families. Expected number of families. Expected number of families 800 into 5 by 8. So 2 or 3 boys, the count is 500 families. The next problem, more or less same. Instead of 5 children in a family, 4. Instead of 800, here we have 200. Calculation, everything is same. N equal to 2000, small n equal to 4, P equal to probability of by 1 by 2, Q equal to 1 by 2. Probability mass function. NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x. Here, n value 4, 4cx, 1 by 2, power x, 1 by 2 power 4 minus x. So 4cx into 1 by 2 power 4. This is the probability mass function for this problem. If you have any doubt, please ask. First, the same model. Expected number of families. First, find the probability for exactly 2 boys. Sorry, at least 1 boy. Number of boys, at least 1. 1 and above. Probability of at least 1 boy means boys count must be greater than or equal to 1. Number of boys, 1 and above. So in the probability mass function, your x values are 0 to 4. For finding x greater than or equal to 1, you find out 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 1, complement statement. X is less than 1. X is less than 1 means we have only one option, x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 probability you are going to find out. 1 minus 4c0, 1 by 2 power 4. 1 minus 1 into 1 by 16. 1 minus 1 by 16 means 15 by 16 is the probability for at least 1 boy. Expected number of families. Expected number of families, capital N into probability of x is greater than or equal to 1. 2000 into 15 by 16. If you simplify, 2000 into 15 by 16. 1875. Out of 200 families, 1875 families are having at least 1 boy. At least 1 boy means boys count 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Only one case is left out. P equal to 0. P equal to 0 means all the childs are girls. Exactly 2 boys. Probability of exactly 2 boys. Probability of x equal to 2. 4c2, 1 by 2 power 4. 4c2 value, 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. Three by 8. Probability 3 by 8. Expected number of families, 2000 into 3 by 8. 2000 into 3 by 8 is 750. So 750 families will have exactly 2 boys. No girls. Probability for no girls. Probability for no girls means all are boys. No girls means all are boys. So boys count is 4. Number of boys is 4. So 5C4, 1 by 2 power 5. Now expected families, 2000 into 5 by 11. Approximately, you can tell the answer. 5 into 2, 10,000. Divided by 11. Actually, I got 909. Approximately 909 families. We stop here. If you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, type your register number and go to the next class.